In the end, I made a spreadsheet and rated all of my products. I'm already off to a fabulous start with the speaking thing.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I'm just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
See if I can add more water. I also realized today that everything I'm wearing is from Fashion Nova, which is kind of funny because I haven't bought anything from a fast fashion website or store in over a year now, and I've kind of sworn off fast fashion and switched more to if it's sustainable, recycled, thrifted. But the nice part is I don't think I'm like most people who buy fast fashion where I buy it and then wear it once and then don't ever wear it again. I wear them for years. I'm talking, I still have clothes from middle school that I wear. I really like the image with Arwen on her beautiful, gorgeous horse, and the horse is doing that thing where they're just on their back legs and they're like, nay. Oh no, that's on the internet now forever. I swear I'm not a horse girl, even though I really give off horse girl vibes. Maybe I am a horse girl. I do love horses, and they love me, even when they have never met me. Is that rare? Is it rare for horses to just be like, hey, how's it going? And just fully comfortable with you if they've never ever met you, or what? Because I'm not around horses a lot, but when I do go and visit them at the farm near us, they just come up like, hey girl, how you doing? Hey girl. I look like I should be asleep on the couch with a beer in my hand after watching the football game, or halfway through the football game. Like, comment down below, and if you want to see next Sunday shenanigans, subscribe. There's a button down there. You can hit the notification bell if you want. I have to be honest, I'm not the kind of person to put notifications on for the people I follow, but I just constantly check my subscription box on YouTube. Before I locked the screen of my phone, I always go and check because I had them to watch later and stuff.